invitation that you extended to me to come and visit and to be with my people.
So,
we have been received very well and been made to feel that we are home here. But we come with emotions, where in the 15th century, our people were brought out through no fault of theirs to these islands.
so,
And then subjugated to this type of inhuman treatment that we ourselves have not had answers to that.
so,
But then again, there was this emancipation that was declared that slavery and slave trade has been abolished. And then continuing from there, in 1881, my own grand-uncle's son was also brought here,
so,
Trinidad, Kofinti, who after the 1874 war, Second Wesleys War, he had been taken to England to be wizened, supposedly. And then we were primitive, and therefore he has to be taken out to be wizened, even though we lived in our own way, our own environment, and then we're happy with that.
so,
And then after that, he was brought to Trinidad. So history tells me that Ghana and Trinidad have always had a linkage from there. Because why Trinidad? They could have taken him to different islands, but they brought him to Trinidad. The excuse was that the weather was similar to Ghana at the time. And his brother who was taken and died of tuberculosis in London, and therefore let's take him to Trinidad. So it was a message to us that Trinidad and Ghana are the same. And after that, we've had George Padmore and others also. Like you said, having known Kwame Nkrumah from Lincoln University and all that, and having studied and then helped him also with the Pan-Africanism to be able to lead Ghana into independence. From there on, we are here now. Your visit to Ghana in 2020, during the celebration of Ghana's independence, was something that reminded us that we have some brothers also somewhere. That because you came to Kumasi, we hosted you in Kumasi, we had the opportunity. You felt not as a prime minister, but you felt like you were in your father's home at the palace. And that is how the relationship of Trinidad and Tobago with me and the kingdom was aroused for us to realize that no matter what, our citizens are also there. So when the invitation came for me to visit, COVID stopped it. But COVID has not been able to stop it because we are here today. And we're here to assure our brothers and sisters in Trinidad and Tobago that not only is the emancipation celebration that is bringing us here, but we have come to affirm the brotherliness, the sisterliness of the two countries, and also to see how best we can collaborate in relation to development, the South-South cooperation, to be able to see how best the two of us, this country and Ghana, can collaborate. I believe strongly that we have to have that collaboration. I know at your level, at the political level, you've signed some agreements, but I don't want that to be shoved into the shelf because that's what happens. But I come here not as a politician, but as the King of Ashanti, who has a blood relation with my people, and I seek their welfare on the welfare of Trinidad. So I'm here for us to look at various ways using this visit to also assure my people here that after emancipation, what next? What next? We cannot continue to go out and blame the people who enslaved us. They've given us the freedom. But I still feel that my people have problems here. So after emancipation, what next? I've come to assure them that, look, we still can do better for ourselves. We should make sure that the independence that we have, we would take the opportunity to develop ourselves in a way that it will enhance to the development of our destiny and our nature. So I'm here, Your Excellency, at your invitation. I'm here because I'm here to be with my people. I'm here also for us to collaborate to see how best we can mutually build our countries together. That is why I'm here. And I thank you very much for this invitation.